If you run a small business, or if you're a business development manager of a company, you would be happy if a bank calls you up for collaboration. Hey, why shouldn't you? You get to access their database, your company logo gets to sit side by side with the bank, and they have unlimited resources that you can tap on. But hey, wait, hang on. Should you really be happy if a bank calls you up for collaboration? My experience with the bank is not so positive. But before I get into the discussion, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. First, let's understand what the bank wants if they ask for collaboration. They want to leverage on your skill or database to acquire new clients, but they are unwilling to pay for them. If you're a small business and you're going to engage an influencer to promote your business so that you can acquire new clients, you have to pay this influencer somehow. But the bank with unlimited resources doesn't want to foot a single cent for that promotion. This is the first story I got to share. One of the methods that the bank used to acquire new clients is to offer a lunchtime talk for companies. The banks will cater lunch for their employees, engage a speaker to talk on a chosen topics. Of course, the banks will promote their services as well. First of all, the bank will not pay this trainer. They will position it in such a way that they are giving the trainer an opportunity to step foot into the company to speak to the HR. Isn't that a great opportunity for the speakers? What is the problem here? These companies who are getting free talks and free lunches, where do you think their commitment level to learning? And do you think they have a budget for training? And of course, they are having lunch while listening to the speaker. Where is the focus? In the end, the banks may walk away with new sign-ups, new clients, because the sign-up can be done immediately there on the spot. What about the trainer? What about the speaker? They are left hanging with no compensation. Another encounter with another bank. A big bank from US contacted us for a joint event. They proposed to tag along in our event, maybe give them a small table and so that they can send their representative to talk to our prospects. And they are paying $300 for every new client acquired. What? $300. Typically, I know businesses pay referral fees by percentage. 10%, 5%, 3%, 20%, or even 50%. But the bank pays you $300. Not too bad, right? Oh, it is not too bad if the bank's acquired revenue is between $3,000 to $10,000. But the bank are hunting for high net worth clients. Each account is $250,000. And they pay you $300. We propose another alternative. Each of us will commit to a number of attendees that we will bring to the event. And each of us will commit to marketing to bring in the leads for the event. And the bank proposed to use their venue, a hub. Well, very nice place, in fact. Beautiful place, like a garden with air conditioning. Well, there's barrister in there as well. Yeah, so we have decided, we make the decision. Yeah, that's the place we're going to do. That's the plan that we're going to have, that we're going to execute. We are ready to go. While we are preparing for the marketing collaterals, the bank calls. Oops, we can't use the venue because cost will be involved. Rental will be involved. Sure, I assume the rental should be pretty high. Sure, no problem. Why don't we rent a place? Our place will be much cheaper. And we share the costs, whether it is refreshments, whether it is rental, both the banks and ourselves, we share the cost. What shocked me? They refused. The final proposal they sent, can they just send 2 representatives to our event, free of charge? And they are not going to send any attendees, any people from their side to our event. We are the small company. They are the big bank, yet we are willing to share costs with them. And what about them? They just want to leech. In the end, I told them to Well, not all experiences with the banks were bad. I did have one positive encounter, but it has nothing to do with the acquisition of clients. It is really just pure training for their new hires. Though they do not pay me, but they allow me to sell my coaching services to the new hires. And enrollment sign up can be done immediately. So immediately I collect cash, collect money, they pay me right on the spot. That compensates me. So will I collaborate with banks in the future? I doubt so. I have very little trust with them unless it's someone that I know, that I trust, that I can work with. From my experiences with them, they cannot be trusted. They just want things good and free. If you have a similar encounters or you have an entirely different experience with the banks, do leave your comments below. I would love to hear them. Before we go, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.